Alright guys, I'm by myself again because Billy is painting the house. And today we are going to make white chocolate chip marshmallow cookies. Take one. Alright, if you remember these kind of marshmallows in the Lucky Charms cereal, we could buy them in bags. We got these, we just came back from Amish country in Ohio, Holmes County. And I saw the smaller bags because down here they just had the huge bags at Rural King. They had the smaller ones because that's all I wanted to get. So we got that. First off, we are putting in 10 tablespoons of butter. And then we have some shortening here, and I got butter flavor shortening is all I have. So we're putting in 10 tablespoons of that also. So we'll put that in. And then we're going to give that a little mixy mix. Yeah, we have a white siding vinyl on the house, and Billy is painting it gray. Well, he's doing the gutters today, and then I will be helping tomorrow doing the vinyl. Never done it before, so he's never painted a house vinyl before either. But we got vinyl paint, so we should be good. It's white right now, we're painting it gray. So we'll show you when we get done. Knowing him, it'll just take a day or two because once he starts it, he don't want to stop. Alright, we got that butter chopped up. Now we're got 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Bam, packed brown sugar going in. And we're just going to mix that up. Guys, I hope everybody's doing well. We got some more new subscribers, so we appreciate everybody on here. And like we've said before, this is a clean channel, so no cussing or bad stuff on here. It's family friendly. So if you have your kids can sit and enjoy the videos too. And you know, all I do is simple recipes, so kids can even do these. And I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. And the temperature and how many minutes. So alright, got all that mixed up. Now we're going to put in 2 eggs. And a teaspoon, or I think it's 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we just measure with our heart. So, boom. And boom. Alright. Give that a little mixy mix here. Alright. I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now I have 3 cups of just all-purpose flour right here. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll put that right in there. And also, I have never made cookies with pudding, but we're going to put in 1 small packet, I think it's a 3-ounce packet of instant vanilla pudding. So we'll put that in there, and we're just going to stir that up and get that all mixed up a little bit. Do you guys make your chocolate chip cookies with pudding in it? Let us know. I've seen a lot of people do it. I just had never done it before, so we're doing it today. So we're going to put in just a little bit here and give it that little mix. And just a little bit more. We're going to do this in 3 times, I guess. And now the last of it. And mix. Just until it's, you can still see some streaks in it, flour streaks. All right. Give that a little stir. This is what we got going. Now we're going to put in, this is 1 whole bag of white chocolate chips. Use whatever kind of chocolate chips you want. We're doing white. So that is an 11-ounce bag. And then I have 1 cup of the marshmallows. And we're going to see what that looks like. We may add some more. See what we got going. You can mix your chocolate chips. I like mixing them, but I really like white chocolate chips. So I like white better than the semi-sweet. Oh yeah, these are going to be pretty. Get them mixed up a little bit here. And do you guys chill your chocolate chip cookie dough? I never do, but some people chill it. All right, now we got all that mixed up, and now we're just going to scoop them onto our baking sheet here. I'm using parchment paper and my bigger scoop here. This is about a tablespoon and a half scoop, I believe it is. And then we're putting them in the 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So when I get them coming out, I'll let you know. I'll show you. All right, guys, they was in my oven for 11 minutes. And here's what they look like. And they're still a little warm, but we're going to do a taste test. There's the bottom. Still a little soft here. The marshmallows bake up really soft. It's crispy around the edge and soft in the middle. Perfect cookie. Hope you guys give this one a try and mix it up as you want. Like, don't use the white chips. Use whatever you want. Use different cereal in them. But those marshmallows in that, perfect. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and hype, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out. Have a great day.